The Martyrs' Day 2021 was observed at Gandhi Memorial Hall in IMPHAL today. Manipur Governor Dr. Najma Haptullah and Chief Minister N. Biren led the participants in paying rich floral tribute at the statue of Mahatma Gandhi at GM Hall on the occasion. Minister, MLAs and top civil and police officials were also present. Martyrs' Day or Shahid Divas is observed on January 30 every year in the memory of Mahatma Gandhi. Nation pays homage to martyrs for their selfless sacrifice and who lost their lives defending the sovereignty of the nation. The day marks the death anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, also known as Father of the Nation. 44 Assam Rifles under the aegis of 22 Sector AR IGRs celebrated Shahid Divas. The commandant led the public of Tamenglong in paying floral tribute to the Mahatma Gandhi and other martyrs at the Jadonang Park at Tamenglong. Thangweibun constituency MLA JOYKISHAN today launched 2021 calendar of Green Can Industry at Hizam Diwan Laikai. Green Can Industry is a Manipur-based company established in 2016. It supplies all kinds of machineries to Manipur and some neighboring states. On January 30 last year, India reported its first ever case of the coronavirus disease COVID-19 after an Indian student of the Wuhan University in China was detected positive in the state of Kerala, according to the Union Health Ministry. Since then, the country has been one of the largest contributors of coronavirus cases and related fatalities. But yesterday, India dropped to the fourth position as far as cumulative toll is concerned, as Mexico secured the third spot. As many as 10 people have been killed while over 25 others injured in the road accident on Agra-Moradabad highway today. A media report said the accident took place early this morning after a bus, truck and a third vehicle collided amid dense fog. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has announced an ex gratia of Rs 2 lakh each to the kin of the deceased and Rs 50,000 each to the injured. A combined team of Nambol police and a column of 16 Assam Rifles posted at Nambol arrested a cadre of the band PLA during frisking and checking at Laimaram IVR on January 28 last. The arrested was identified as Ningthaujam Lolin Singh alias Ibomcha. Troops of Assam Rifles Nonne Battalion under the aegis of Headquarter 9 Sector Assam Rifles and Inspector General Assam Rifles South distributed 2x2 welding machines along with welding rods and equipment under Assam Rifle Civic Action Project 2020-21 to two differently able persons of Nonne district through Handicapped People's Front Nonne today. The Supreme Court has reportedly withdrawn its recommendation to make Justice Pushpa V. Ganediwala a permanent judge of the Bombay High Court in light of her controversial orders on two sexual assault cases in the recent past. Justice Ganediwala had modified a session court order that held a man guilty for a minor sexual assault. She had ruled that groping a child without skin-to-skin contact with sexual intent does not amount to the offense under the Prevention of Children for Sexual Offences POCSO Act. The Delhi police has arrested 44 people in connection with a violent clash between protesting farmers and locals that broke out yesterday afternoon at Singhu border. According to media reports, a criminal case under various sections, including the attempt to murder, has been registered at Alipur Police Station, Delhi, and investigation has been initiated. The situation at Delhi's Haryana border and border at Singhu deteriorated yesterday as villagers clashed with protesting farmers after one thing led to another, and the mob was seen armed with stones, lathi, swords. Major KHAP clan panchayats in Haryana have decided to socially boycott the leaders of the ruling Bharatiya Janata Party BJP and Janayak Janata Party JJP as part of the protest against farm laws. As per a media report, they have also decided to send at least one person from each family to farmer protests on Delhi's border. The move came even as the Haryana government suspended mobile internet in different places of the state till this evening, one of the most extensive internet blackouts in the state. An Iranian hand is suspected behind the minor IED blast that took place last evening outside the Israeli embassy in New Delhi. Media reports said that the letter recovered from the site of blast mentioned the explosion as a trailer. The letter also mentioned Iran's General Qasim Soleimani and Iran's top nuclear scientist Mohsen Fakhrizadeh as martyrs. Both were assassinated last year. Manipur Adventure and Mountain Biking Association MAAMBA today kicked off a 400-kilometer bicycle rally. This rally will cover the given distance within 27 hours. Mrs. Photogenic title holder at the 2019 Mrs. India contest, Nirupama Laishram flagged off the rally from Hapta Kangjebung in IMPHAL. 10 people, including 2 women, are participating in the rally.